you sleeping on one of the most powerful platforms out there? It's time to uncover the untapped potential of Pinterest. Welcome back, content creators, influencers, and all other types of online business entrepreneurs. My name is Brittany and this is my channel Making Money with Mama, where I teach you how to make a full-time income on part-time hours. Let's get into today. What is Pinterest and why is it important? Your mind is going to be blown, okay? Let's get into it. So what the heck even is Pinterest? If you've been living under a rock, or maybe you just don't actually understand quite what Pinterest is, Pinterest is a social media platform that allows users to discover, save, and share images and videos on virtual bulletin boards. With over 400 active users, Pinterest is one of the largest search engines on the internet. And let's go over the user demographics that are on Pinterest, because this is going to be a key important factor on why Pinterest is such a lucrative online platform. The demographics on Pinterest is 71% female. So you're already going into the platform knowing what type of audience is on the platform, which is great, okay? It's already kind of hyper-targeted. So if you can identify what types of products women are buying, identify what types of things women are searching for on Pinterest, understand what type of pain points women are having, it'll give you such insight on how you can be successful on this platform. Another piece of the puzzle is that the Pinterest users, 40% of them have an annual income of over $100,000 or more, which generally means they have some disposable income, which makes it even more enticing for us to promote our products, our digital products, and all other types of services to this audience. Especially, I forgot to mention, one of the best parts is that Pinterest is a shopping platform. People are typically going onto Pinterest to shop or looking for inspiration for things to shop and buy. So people are already in buyer mode when they're on this platform. Pinterest is primarily a visual platform with users saving and sharing images and videos. However, the platform also supports text-based content, including articles and blog posts. So the beauty of this platform that appeals to so many people is that you don't actually have to show your face in order to be successful. Did I mention that Pinterest has SEO benefits, which means search engine optimization? Pinterest is such a valuable tool for search engine optimization because it allows businesses to showcase their products and services to a wider audience. Pins are searchable on Pinterest and can rank in Google search, which is going to be huge because we know how massive Google is. So if you understand SEO, or if you take the time to learn SEO, you'll understand how to rank at the top of Pinterest search. So when people are typing in cat mugs, your cat mug affiliate link is showing right at the top. Or maybe you sell cat mugs as your own personal business. So this is how you are going to get a lot of organic traffic for free to your online business. Which segues into my next point, is that Pinterest is a traffic generation machine. These Pinterest pins can be directly linked to your affiliate links, to your online products, to your digital products. Pins can also be shared on other social media platforms, further increasing the reach. You can link directly to affiliate links, landing pages, funnels, right from your pin, making conversions that much easier because the end user doesn't have to go through a series of hoops. They don't have to watch your video and then go to your bio and then click a link and then follow that link to another link, okay? There's so many steps to be lost in translation there. On Pinterest, there's one link right on the image that they can go to, and it takes them right to where you want them to be. There's also phenomenal advertising options on Pinterest. Pinterest offers a range of advertising options for businesses, including promoted pins, promoted video pins, and promoted carousel ads. And these ads can target specific audience and drive traffic to specific landing pages or affiliate offers. And based on my experience, these Pinterest ads are far cheaper than any other social media ad out there, meaning you can reach the same amount of eyeballs for a lot less per click. And if you're an online shop, they have e-commerce integration. Pinterest offers a range of e-commerce integration options, including Shop the Look, which allows users to purchase products directly from the pins, and buyable pins, which enable users to purchase products without ever leaving the platform. This is huge. Pinterest is also a great tool for increasing brand awareness. Because of the nature of the platform, the end users are saving the content and sharing the content. And when someone saves or shares that post, okay, all of their audience sees it. It's not like on TikTok or Instagram where if you hit the save button, it just goes into a private bank. When I save something on Pinterest, everybody that follows me on Pinterest can see it. It gets thrown out to them on their home feed, which increases reach and engagement for that content. So Pinterest is a valuable tool for businesses looking to increase their online visibility visibility, drive traffic to their website, and build brand awareness. Pinterest is a platform that no online business can afford not to be a part of, okay? I have so many videos and tutorials on how you can start making money on Pinterest today in this playlist. I also have all kinds of free resources located in the description box below. And again, please like and save this video, engage with the video because it allows YouTube to pay me so that I don't have to charge for courses and you get all the information for free. It's a win for everybody. Thank you.